Welcome back. Today we will see how we can change the cursor on Windows 11. The cursor is how we control the PC using the mouse and keyboard. Maybe you want to make it more visible or add some style. We'll show some interesting things a bit later, so stay with us. We're going to close this window and start from scratch. What we want to do is right click on the start button and then left click on settings. Now we want to go to accessibility, left click once, and then we want to go to mouse, pointer and touch, left click. Alternatively, you can left click in the search bar on the bottom and just type in mouse, pointer, size, and left click on the setting that appears here. It will take you to the exact same place. Over here we can select the style on the first row, and if you left click on the icon it will immediately change, as we can see. This option allows you to change the color of the cursor, which you may find useful or interesting. If you left click on the plus sign, you can select a custom color. Left click and drag, and then you select the color of your liking. We're gonna go with rose, and you can also change the intensity of the color and make it darker or brighter. When you're done, left click on done over here, and that will apply the setting. We also have an option to change the size of the mouse by left clicking and dragging this pointer. And that's it on this page in regards to mouse cursor settings. If we go back to accessibility and left click, and then left click on text cursor, we can change how the text cursor looks like. Alternatively, you can left click in the search bar and just type in text cursor and left click on the item that appears here, and it will take you to this place straight away. We have an instant demo over here. It's overlaid with the text a bit. You can change the size of the color, so you can make the little ears look larger. You can left click on the colors over here to apply them, and again if you left click on the plus sign, you have the same drag and drop slider that you can use on this rainbow to select the color and also to select the brightness below. Left click on done when you're ready, and we also have a preview for the thickness, so it appears over here. Lastly guys, to change advanced mouse cursor options, left click on Bluetooth and devices, and then look for mouse in the list and left click, and then scroll down and left click on additional mouse settings. And here if you go to pointers, you can look in the list for the different mouse cursor type, select it, and then left click on browse, and now you can select a different icon for a specific mouse pointer. Left click on it and then left click on open, and it will change the icon. Be careful if you play with this because it might make some actions confusing. Okay guys, that's it in regards to text and mouse cursors on Windows. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.